When you're trying to go as fast and light as possible, obviously weight is a huge factor. But days like that also demand that you stay fully hydrated so that you can consistently be performing at your best. Those two things really conflict because water adds a ton of weight. We designed the Trail Shot microfilter to help you save weight. Essentially, it gives you a full day's water supply at a mere 5 ounces and fits in your pocket. When I trail run, I like to carry 2 small water bottles. When those are empty, I can use the Trail Shot filter to drink directly and instantly from a stream along the trail. Then I can quickly fill up my bottles with clean water and get going again. Or if I'm wearing a hydration pack, I can connect it straight to my hose and fill up my reservoir. The Trail Shot filter is so tiny, it fits in a stash pocket alongside my bars. And it's quick to deploy. You just drop the pre-filter in the water and start filtering. It treats a liter of water in 60 seconds. The Trail Shot filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa, like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, so you have reliable water all along your journey. The filter cartridge has a 2,000-liter lifespan, depending on water conditions, which for me is seasons of water. At MSR, our goal is to design products for simplicity and functionality, giving you everything you need and nothing you don't.
Solar paper is super small and slim, so you can conveniently carry the solar paper when traveling or even in daily lives, and use solar energy anywhere under the sun. It can fully charge iPhone 6 within 2.5 hours. Also, solar paper is the world's first solar charger that can auto-reset via comparison operator, so you don't have to worry about shadow or cloud on solar panels. Also, it allows users to know exact power amount via numbers displayed on the LCD screen. Various devices such as GoPro, external battery, Bluetooth speaker, digital camera, AA battery charger, flashlight, smartphone, and even tablet PC that requires more power can be charged by adding additional panels. Magnet connectors help to conveniently add or subtract solar panels.
SolSource Sport harnesses solar energy to heat the cooking surface 5 times faster than a traditional charcoal grill. It's super easy to use, giving you more time to enjoy the day, fuel-free, rather than fiddle with the fire. Since SolSource Sport has no flame and is cool to the touch, you can also use it in places like beaches, national parks, and apartment buildings where fire cooking isn't allowed. Treat yourself to fresh outdoor cooking, free of toxic smoke. You can grill with SolSource in the morning, midday, late afternoon, when it's cold, when it's windy, at the beach, even under passing clouds, as long as the sun is still smiling down on you. The solar reflectors are engineered with the ideal curvature for capturing the sun's rays, providing the equipment of about 600 watts of raw cooking power. You can cook from approximately 1 hour after sunrise to 1 hour before sunset. On a bright, beautiful sunny day, for example, within 5 minutes, the grill will be at grilling temperatures. Within 10, it'll be hot enough to sear. Within 10 minutes, charcoal is, well, it's getting there. Even though it's reflecting all that energy, the surface is cool to the touch, as the heat is focused directly onto the cooking surface, and only the cooking surface. Aligning the grill with the sun only requires you to look into the blackout mirror and aim the beam right at your pan. The V-shaped cutout puts you in the captain's chair of the SolSource Sport, because you deserve this grill to work for you. How are we looking there? Okay. The grilling platform is a versatile pot stand that allows you to use the cookware you already own. You can grill, pan fry, saute, steam, boil, deep fry, pressure cook, and slow cook. We've taken our original model and redesigned it, with the on-the-go griller in mind. The new Sport assembles in less than 3 minutes and packs down to a lightweight 2 feet carrying case, giving you the freedom to cook anywhere. And remember, no flame means no smoke. Clean air cooking. Bright months are ahead, so get outside and get grilling. Whether it be your first grill, a grill for the patio, tailgate, beach, camping, a grill for the end of the world, or you're just looking for an upgrade. The SolSource Sport makes you the star of any cookout, so head over to our crowdfunding page to take advantage of our early bird special pricing. Grill with SolSource Sport.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.